Hello and welcome back to the Ride Right Waxing Workshop. Tonight we have a ladies pair of Blizzard Viva 7.6. These are 149 in length, in for full service, tune, detail, a little bit of PTex. So yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, so let's take a look at these Viva Blizzard skis. These are a ladies ski, length 146. The condition of these skis aren't bad at all. The base seems very, very good. Got some good level of moisture still in there. We've got some chatter marks just here, so we're going to sort those out, make that as smooth as possible. We're going to get onto these base edges and the side edges and just give them a sharpen up, just to make sure that they're all in tip-top condition. Make sure all that rust is gone. We've got a bit of a PTex groove just there. Quite a deep little one there, so we're going to get that tidied up with PTex. The rest, after the wire brush, we'll tidy that up. Let's just flip this other ski over. These have been in with me before. We've got a couple of little marks there just on that ski, but other than that, really, these should turn out absolutely lovely. We've got a bit of rust there just by the binding between the 2 feet. So yeah, other than that, yeah, I think these are going to come out lovely. Like I say, good customer of mine. I want to make sure these are in tip-top condition, ready for Canada. So let's get right to the time lapse. Let's get into these skis. Let's get them sharpened up first. Then we're going to get up to a base clean. Then we're going to go into the copper brush just to clear out the actual base of that. A bit of a wipe over. And then once we finish that, we're going to be laying down the wax. They're going to be going into the hot room then for 24 hours. And then tomorrow we're going to get those back out. We're going to get that wax off and get those finished up. So let's get right into it. Okay, on to the second ski. This one's not going to require any PTex on this. We're going to try and do a bit of base scraping just with the metal file gently, just to take any slight burrs off. We're going to get these edges done now. So back to time lapse and let's get through this one. Okay, so these Blizzard Viva lady skis are now fresh out of the hot room. They've been in there for just over 24 hours. What we're going to do now is strip the wax off of these and get them looking absolutely ship-shape, ready to be shipped back to the customer. So we're going to stick it back on time-lapse. We're going to get through this one, we're going to get through the other one, and then we'll have a look, see how they look and offer them up and go from there. So stick with me, we're nearly done. Okay, so these Blizzard Viva skis have come up lovely. Really polished up fantastically well. We've got a good edge there. We've got a good amount of wax in that base. We've got the covering on, ready to put these two skis together, which we're going to quickly do now. We're going to package these up and get these back to the customer. So let's get wrapping. So again, we're going to wrap these up, make sure the tips and tails don't knock. And that way then we won't cause any chatter marks. So these skis are in tip-top condition for the slopes when they go out on them. So that's the two tops and tails done, and then what we quickly do is rip the 2 skis over, we clean the top coat, and we're just going to wrap these together. Again, stopping them from moving around in the bag when they're in transit in the airplane and also on the route to airport, to keep the skis as tip-top condition as possible. Really good tip, to be fair, if you've got your own skis and you're waxing your own skis, or even a snowboard, it just keeps the base as clean and clear as possible. I'm going to stick one right around the middle to reduce as much bounce as possible. I'm just going to undo the clamp there. And that base ski, there we go, get the tension out of that. Just going to move that ski down a bit. I'm just going to get these wrapped up. So, yeah, thanks again for watching. If you've got this far in the film, again, pat yourself on the back. Thank you very much indeed. Do appreciate it. If this interests you, please hit that like button. Please hit that subscribe button. There's a little bell somewhere that notifies you when I do films. So basically, the reason I do these films is so my customers get to see what I actually do to their skis. They don't just drop them off and they get them back, and all the work and the effort and the passion that goes into them, I find really important, really, to I suppose concrete what we do as a profession, or should we say as a hobby. Yeah, and again, I'm just very passionate about it. So if you'd like to hit that subscribe button, if you like what I do, please hit that like button. But thanks ever so much for watching. Until the next time, I'll see you soon.